Hello guys, welcome to cgeeks. Today our topic is how properly you can upload your images on Adobe Stock. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. To avoid rejections on Adobe Stock, you need to follow some instructions while uploading images. Let's go to Adobe Stock dashboard. This is a dashboard. Click on upload. So these are the instructions. You can upload PNG image or JPG image. The instructions are it should be PNG or JPG format. Minimum image resolution is 4 megapixel. You can upload 4 or above 4, but not more than 100 megapixel. It should be 100 or less than 100 megapixel. And maximum image file size should be 45 MB or less, not more than 45 MB. Same instructions for JPG. So I am going to upload image. So this is the image. Let's check the resolution and file size. So this is 24 MB file and resolution is 5120 multiplied by 5120. So it's okay. You have proper name for that image. I will copy to paste it on title. You need to wait for uploading. So image is uploaded successfully here. Currently it's in new tab. We need to submit it for review. Click on it. Now these are the checkboxes and data filling tabs which you need to upload carefully. First, file type is photo, okay. Then category. The business category is automatically selected for this image by Adobe Stock. I am okay with it. You can choose of your choice. Then if it's a AI image generated, we will check created using generative AI tool. Now you have no need to type AI image generated with title of image. Click on people and property or fictional. Now we have copy the title here. A businesswoman stands in front of a large screen. I am okay with it. This is a title here. Now these are the keywords most important. Click on add all, or you can remove any irrelevant keyword, like I have removed job. You can type of your own choice, like business environment. Now this is a checkbox, okay, with blue sign submitted. So these are the reviews here. You need to read it carefully, then confirm. Now the selection for a cat, verify. Now you need to submit it. Now it's submitted for review here. In this way guys, you can upload your images, your JPGs, your PNG images. Thanks guys for watching and learning.